Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video we are doing an eye look and we are using the new Tati palette. And this is what it looks like. I'm sure you've already seen it. But anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. I think we are going to start off with our Essence eye base. Surprise! I know I always start with this, but it's good. So let's just do that. Cancel out all the rest of the purple that this concealer and foundation. Oh, I didn't put foundation on my eyelid. Never mind. This stuff is so good. I really like it. And I've used the more expensive ones, the MAC, the Paint Pot, and I've used Urban Decay. They were too thick. They just went in the wrinkles. This is just perfect. You just have to play with it a little bit till it sets down. And voila, and it doesn't take but just a minute. So, we are going to start off by setting that, and I'm going to use this Aura right here. I think we're going to do a full matte this first time. So, let's go in with this fluffy brush into this Aura, which is the lightest matte color, and just set that. Because we're going to do several looks with the Tati palette, because she's made it very usable. So we're going to be using it. I think this is probably going to be the most versatile palette I have. I don't know, this is the first time I'm using it, but that's just what I'm thinking. Let's see, where are all my brushes? Here's one. All right, so for our transition color, we're gonna go into the one right next to it, right here. What is this called? I don't know. So there's, the way she has it set up is there's all these glitters, all these metallics, all of these sequins, and all of these mattes. Ouch. And then this one is Memory, all of these dark ones. This one is Ritual, right here, the second one. This orangey one is Story. This kind of gold colored one is Soothe. Aura is the lightest one. And Poet are the pinks. So now you're going to know what I'm talking about when I say I'm going to go into the Matte Ritual, or I'm going to go into the Matte Soothe, which is the yellowy color ones. And that's what we're going to use for our transition color, is just this. And like I said, I think I'm going to do all mattes on this eye, on this look today. I know it's hard. I love to go with the glitters, and I really, really love the sequins. But I'm just trying to do something different because so many people have already done it. I mean, not saying that somebody hasn't already done the all matte. Can you guys see better? Because I changed the angle of the mirror. I just want to blend this all the way up. Well, almost all the way up. Okay, so we might have to go into a little bit of the sequin. Okay, now we're going to go into this Ritual, the brown, and I'm going to put that in the crease also. Now I'm just going to take that brush I used for the what is it called? Soothe. For the soothe, and just kind of blend that brown in a little bit more. Now I'm just going to take this brush, I'm going to go into the Soothe and put that across the bottom. And pull it up. And now I'm going to go back in with a smudgy brush into the Ritual Brown and put that on the bottom also, closer to the lash line. And attach those two. I was trying to keep it drama free, but it's kind of dramatic, isn't it? So now I'm going to go in with some concealer to cut that crease a little bit, because I think it needs it. So I'm going to use my Tarte, what is this one? Creaseless. This is the one I kind of always use for my cut creases. With a brush though. And then I'm just going to take this guy, and I am going to go into the Aura sequin and pack that onto this concealer because it's so pretty. It's like the same color as the Aura Matte, and it's got just a tiny bit of pink sparkle in it. And it is just so pretty. And I think it just makes it. Now I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of that dark brown and just blend that together. I think I'm going to use the brush that I used for the I accidentally went into the wrong one. So I'm going to use the one I used for the transition color. the Soothe to blend them together. But that worked, I think. There is a little bit of fallout, but I don't mind it. It's just the littlest bit of pink glitter from that sequin, and it's such a fine mist of it. It looks good. And that's all that counts, right? If it looks good. Okay, I am going to go ahead and I think, you know what? I think I'm going to use this black in here to do my liner, because it's supposed to be so black. We'll just check that out. Looks pretty good. I like it. I think it looks great. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and do my lashes, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. This is the final look of the day. I love the eye palette. I love, love, love. Tati, you killed it. I definitely think that this is going to be the most versatile, best collection of eyeshadows for your money this holiday season. I definitely think this is the one. If you're gonna give a gift, the price is like right in the middle of high end, and it's not drugstore. It's definitely not drugstore, but it was $48. So I know that Jeffree Star's was $52, and you know, there's ones a lot higher than this, and it's just right there in the middle. I think it's the best deal because there's so many looks that you can make with this palette, especially if you're into neutrals. But even into neutrals, there's so many sparkles, and we're gonna do a whole bunch more looks before Christmas, so you'll have plenty of time to see different looks on my mature eyes. But I definitely am giving it a thumbs up. I think it's beautiful. It's really easy to work with. It blends out nicely. It looks great, and I've only done the one look. Just think how many I haven't even started using the glitters yet. Anyway, I didn't do swatches because there's a gazillion swatches on the internet already that you can look at, and I wanted to keep this short. I wanted to keep this video kind of short so that we can do a whole bunch of them. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!